How to fix Snapchat login problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do is very simple. Just scroll until you find the Snapchat app right here. And when you find it, click on it like this. And now click here on this force stop and go down here into the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on the power usage details. Make sure that this power consumption alert is enabled. Go down here and click on force stop. Go back, and now the last thing you want to do is click on this data usage right here. Make sure also that everything here is enabled. And the last thing you want to do is go back into the settings, click on the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 2 seconds and disable it. Now reopen Snapchat. Don't forget to like, subscribe.